Hi guys, we're looking at the light bulb from my porch light. That's not my Porsche car, that's my porch light outside the front of the house. It's one that during the day it automatically switches itself right off. When it gets dark it goes into a dim mode, so it just gives you a little bit of light, and when it detects somebody walking by it actually goes to full strength. And it had this halogen bulb in it, which is, I don't know if we can see that, upside down. Right, this one's actually 42 watts. I did have some other halogen bulbs at 100 watts, but on the outside of the light it does say maximum 60 watts. It'll probably survive with the 100 watt in there, but I thought I ought to see if I could get some replacements. And it is impossible at the moment to buy halogen bulbs. All the normal shops have gone entirely to LED bulbs. I expect if I search online I could probably find somewhere selling halogen bulbs, but all my usual shops that I would go into only do LEDs now. You can actually see the filaments in the top there. So anyway, what I thought I would try was some LED bulbs, but these are ones that are dimmable. They're relatively expensive. This 2-pack cost me £5 in Tesco, which was a bit of a shock to the system, bearing in mind I buy everything in Poundland normally. I think the non-dimmable ones were about £3.50 for a pair, whereas these dimmable ones were a £5, so I thought they might work. So that's the purpose of this video. I will go and fit them in my porch light and see if they work. Right, we'll go out the front and see if the light is on at the moment. It shouldn't be. I mean, it's just beginning to get dark out there. Oh, it is on. As soon as it detected me, it went to full brightness. And I like it that bright, but I wonder if I can stay still long enough for it to go out again. You can see the maximum 60 watt written on there. That's the dim mode. And if I move my hand out the way of the sensor, it'll probably go full brightness. So watch your eyes, because this is going to go bright. Yeah, very bright. Right, so we will change that. Swap it for the LED one. That's the LED one in place. I need to go and switch the power back on again. Right, well the power's on and nothing's happening, which is rather what I was worried about. It's not seeing enough resistance, current draw, to recognise it as a valid bulb. I'll just take that one out and try the other one in the pack, just in case we've got a dead one. Ah, oh dear. So that means we got a 41 in the pack. Well, that's not very impressive, is it? 2-pack that cost me £5, 50% failure rate. I'll just double check. Let's go and get that other one again. Yeah, we got a dead one. Well, we'll check that it actually does what it's supposed to do anyway. Goes dim. Right, we'll wait for a while and see if it goes dim. At the moment I'm covering over the sensor, in which case it ought to be in dim mode. But it's not. It's off. I'll just move my hand out the way. Right, so we're on. But yeah, that's no good to me. It doesn't go dim. It's either on or off. So I'll have to put the other bulb back in again, the halogen one. So it doesn't dim the way I want it to. And one of the two bulbs in the pack was faulty anyway. Not impressed. Right, that's the halogen one back in again. So I'll go and put the power back on. Halogen bulb back in there. We're in dim mode at the moment. If I move my hand out the way from the sensor, it'll go bright, so watch your eyes. And there we go. So the LED bulbs didn't work. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.